Welcome to this guided meditation on letting go. Today, we will work to release attachment and control, allowing ourselves to trust the universe and fall into the flow of life. Please come to find a comfortable, seated position where your spine can extend upwards. Allow your head to balance gently atop, ever so slightly tucking your chin. Open your chest, letting your shoulders roll down and back. And lift your heart space. If you haven't already, please close your eyes. Let us quickly scan through our bodies, releasing any tension we might find. And so start at the top of your head. Release any holding in the muscles of your face. Relax your jaw and your tongue. Feel into your neck and your shoulders, releasing any holding and feeling a wave of relaxation sweeping down your arms and into your hands. Feel this wave drop into your chest and your upper back. Relax it all while ensuring your heart space remains open and lifted. Drift down into your abdomen, your belly, and your lower back. Sweep into your hips and into your thighs. Feel into your knees, your ankles, and your feet, releasing it all. And feel yourself planted firmly here. Feel yourself held by gravity. On your next inhalation, take a deep breath in, filling yourself completely. Hold the breath. Squeeze everything in. And release. Let's take one more deep breath like this. And so breathe fully in, hold, squeeze, and release. Perfect. So often in life, we allow ourselves to exert control over our lives. We can become overly attached to the future we want to see for ourselves, for goals we want to achieve. While it's healthy and natural to have goals and dreams, this attachment can become unhealthy to our inner peace. It can even get in the way of us manifesting the things we want to bring into our lives. And so knowing that the universe is here for us, knowing that by setting our intentions for what we want to bring in and then releasing them and letting go, we allow ourselves to fall into flow with life and bring those things in naturally, allowing the universe to deliver them to us. And so, let us now meditate on the mantra Ishvara Pranidhana. This mantra is about surrendering to the universal life force, to the God of your understanding. It's about relinquishing the ego so divinity can shine through us. Ishvara Pranidhana. Let us spend a few moments with this mantra. You can simply listen to my voice, or you can repeat it aloud, or you can repeat it with your inner voice. And so, remembering the meaning of surrendering to universal life force, begin working with this mantra now. Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana. Continue with this mantra on your own. Ishvara Pranidhana. Releasing this mantra now, feel its vibrations sinking in to your very being, and allow yourself to relinquish control, to relinquish your ego, allowing divinity to shine through you. We will now work with the Ksepana Mudra. And so, place your palms together at the heart's center, your thumbs pressing against your breastbone. Bring your index fingers flat against one another and interlace the rest of your fingers. Cross your thumbs left over right, resting the pad of each on the back of your hands. You want to press your index fingers together, but make sure there's a small space left between the palms of your hands. This mudra Ksepana, also known as the Kali Mudra and the Mudra of letting go, allows us to release anything that is not serving us. And so, holding this mudra, point your index fingers to the ground. Allow yourself to breathe in long, slow, even breaths, and allow yourself to sigh out the breath. Breathe in and sigh out. Breathe in and sigh out. Breathe in and sigh out. Continue this slow, even breathing, feeling yourself release, feeling yourself let go. And now, release this mudra. Allow your breathing to return to a steady and natural rhythm. Place your palms onto your lap and let us meditate here for a few moments longer, allowing ourselves to fully surrender, allowing our egos to melt away into our trust of universal life force. And now, let us return to our bodies, feeling a weight lifted, feeling ourselves relieved of our attachment and our desires to control, trusting the universe to take care of us. And so, allow yourself to sense the space around you. Allow your toes and your fingers to gently move. Allow yourself to stretch. Take a deep breath in. And out. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Namaste.